This is our 1973 Oldsmobile 98 luxury sedan. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a really slow-paced walk around of the car in which you'll see all the little cosmetic blemishes, and then there'll be some video clips of the interior as well as under the hood. So you'll see just up front on the nose, a couple very, very minor little road trips, nothing significant. Check out the listing on our website, chicagocarclub.com, for tons of photos. Photo of the original window sticker. This is a one-owner, all-original survivor, 59,000 miles. Super, super, super impressive car. One of the best survivors we've seen. I mean, seriously, the interior still smells like new. The story with it was that the guy bought it new as a highway commuter to once a summer go from his house in Morton Grove, Illinois to his house around San Francisco. So he just spec'd out the most comfortable luxury cruiser he could get for highway miles. And man, it survived unbelievably well. Not a speck of paintwork, no bubbling. I mean, seriously, it is very, very, very impressive. You can see the mirror-like finish of the Cranberry Red. Black vinyl top, never been redone, looks perfect, and honestly the interior is even better than the outside. All the bright work is mint, no oxidation, no damage, no wrinkling, nothing like that. No bubbling hiding behind the rocker trim, the little corners. Everything is really, really, really nice and straight. The car will come with all the original paperwork, bill of sale, purchase contract, manuals, and service records going through the years that document the mileage. The windows are tinted, done in the mid-80s, and we have the receipt from Solar Graphics, 35% smoke. You'll note that the filler panels in the rear, the plastic filler panel pieces, need to be replaced. The original owner actually never even replaced them. They were kind of cracked up when we got them, so we just pulled them out. Lights and signals are all functional. You'll note the tall antenna. Car has a CB, which is functional. You can see just how dry this is. In the corners, all the body lines nice and perfect. Again, never any paint work. No peeling back or visible age of the top. Nothing in the corners there. Body is really, really nice and straight. There is one little door ding on each of the rear doors, but again, very light. The car was super well maintained. It's still R12 air conditioning, which was just topped up and blows ice cold. All the powered systems work. It is, of course, a pillarless car. You'll see the windows down in the photos. The power windows work just as they should. They don't require any assistance. They go up and down nice and smooth and quick. You can see these lower corners, the spots where you would typically see any bubbling or rust, you know, stuff behind the trim. There is just nothing. Really, really nice and straight. Hubcaps are in great shape. No curb rash or dents, nothing like that. There is one tiny little chip in the windshield towards the top, but that's obviously very minor. It's just a chip. Overall, very, very impressive. And here's just a closer look at the top. Still a nice deep black, not faded, nothing like that. Onto the interior. Door panels very nice, no kicked open markings, no dents from the driver's elbow, nothing like that. Dash top, no cracks, no discoloring, no stains from adhesive being there, nothing like that. Really, really, really clean. Powered systems are all functional, including, as I mentioned, the R12 air conditioning. The stock radio, as well as the CB radio mounted below the dash. All the gauges are functional. The 59.3 on the odometer is accurate. Lights are all good. The carpet is really impressive. Black carpeting, still plush, still shiny. Original floor mats even. Excellent shape. Black cloth interior. Great look. I mean, no punctures, no scuffs, nothing on the outside of the bolsters, nothing. It's really, again, just a heck of a survivor. Seats are powered, both recline and forward back. You can see the photo of the window sticker in our listing to see what all the powered accessories. Door jambs and sills look really, really nice. The headliner is clean and tight. The sun visors are firm and hold their position, and actually still have the clean air sticker on the back of the driver's sun visor.